Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Today we will be doing a Longchamp haul. So if you would like to see my new Longchamp bag, then keep on watching. Okay, so here we are. So guys, it's been such a long time since I did one of these Longchamp hauls. I really haven't been buying designer bags in the past couple of years, to be perfectly honest with you guys. So I think last time I bought a Longchamp was, I did buy the one or the two, I think it was this summer. Other than that, the last Longchamp bag I bought was years ago. I want to say like 2000 and it had to have been like 2012, something like that. So I did buy two in the summer, and so I felt I was well overdue to do another Longchamp haul and buy another bag. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I bought. Usually when I buy Longchamp, I do buy it at Nordstrom. That is one of my favorite places to buy designer handbags other than Louis Vuitton. Any brand that's not sold at Nordstrom for handbags, you know, I'll go elsewhere. But when it comes to designer handbags, I like to buy my handbags at Nordstrom. So they have a great point system, and I've always enjoyed my experience with buying designer bags at Nordstrom. So without further ado, I ordered this one off the website. I did go to my local Nordstrom to see if they had it in stock, and when I went, they had the small Neo Le Pliage of this. So because they didn't have the one I wanted in store, I did have to order it, and I ordered it from one of my beauty stylists, and she sent it to me in a, did she send it to me in a style board? Yeah, she sent it to me in a style board. So if you have a stylist you work with, they can send you style boards to your phone through the app. It's pretty cool. And that's how I got this one, and it shipped to me in this bag. So let's get into what I bought. So I bought a large Le Pliage. This is the Neo Le Pliage, which means that the handles and the flap are the same color as the bag. And the color of this bag is called Antique Pink. So when I saw this in person at my local Nordstrom, I fell in love with the color. And whenever this happens, I buy my bag. So I didn't wait for it to go on sale because I knew I've done that before where I've seen a bag I really wanted because of the color and thought to myself, oh, I'll wait till it goes on sale, and then I never see it again. So here is, I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see. Here is my new large Le Pliage tote bag in Antique Pink. This color is beautiful. It's like a mauve, purple, nude, blush color. And the handles, if you can see, are the same color. And there's a little bit of a blue. So there's a blue sealant on the inside of the handles. Same with the flap. There's a blue sealant on the flap. But the flap itself is the same color as the bag. Absolutely love this. I'm so glad I picked it up. I think that because I like this antique pink color so much, I probably will end up babying this bag. To be perfectly honest, I don't baby my Le Pliage Longchamp bags whatsoever. But this one, I think I actually might. This might be my special one. So here's the inside. The pocket is same color. We have the Longchamp. You get the card inside. I believe it's instructions and care, things like that, how to fold it for travel. These bags, the two Pliage bags I've had them for many years and they've held up pretty well. I will say the lighter color has gotten really dirty over time, so I really don't baby that bag anymore. I use it as a beach bag. I use it for work, and I'll show it to you. I don't think I have my other purple one, but you've seen it in other videos. Right now, I am using my teal colored one. But guys, I absolutely love this so much. I'm so happy I picked it up. If you would like to purchase this bag, I will leave a link below that will allow you to purchase the bag. And if you would like to see a what's in my bag, please like this video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment below you want to see a what's in my bag. Those tend to be some of the most popular videos I do. So if you want to keep seeing them, please comment below. And this bag retails for $100. See if we can get the price, $155 if you do want to purchase this at your local Nordstrom. So right now, I'm honestly, I'm not ready to use the bag because I really just go to work and come home. Right now I have a locker, and I know that will change in a very small period of time. But for now I have a locker, and I don't want to put this in my locker. I don't want it getting scuffed up. I don't want it getting dirty. I do have a trip to Florida coming up. I probably will bring this with me in my suitcase in case I want to bring more stuff home. So I will bring this on my trip to Florida this weekend, just in case I do want to use it for that. For now, you guys have seen the infamous bag. This is teal. I got this many years ago. They don't have this color at the moment. I don't know if they will ever bring it back, but this is the bag I'm using for work. I've shown this in my how to clean your Longchamp bag. And so this light colored bag is a perfect candidate for showing how to clean it. It cleans very well. Over the years, I have gotten some crazy scuffs on it that will not come out, and that's okay. I'm sure maybe one day I can get them out, but for now, they're embedded in the bag. So yeah, this is the bag I'm carrying right now for work. It is fully loaded with all kinds of crazy things. And if you would like to see what's in my work bag, grand finale, because this setup's gonna change. But if you would like to see what's in my current Pliage tote bag, maybe I'll film that after this video. Why not, right? So you can see what's in here, because it does need to be cleaned out. It's crazy heavy, has so much in it. But that completes my Longchamp haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the bag I bought. If you like this color, click the link below. Buy it right now. The reason I say that is because this is one of those unique colors that you do not know if you're going to get it on sale. Also, another bag that I bought recently was this one. This was another one. This didn't go on sale. Oh, I'm lying. This did go on sale. I bought this on sale. Edit. This one I did buy on sale. I apologize. But anyway, lies. So yeah, if you see a color you really like, I highly suggest you get it. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Longchamp bags. I'm trying to sell one. That's a whole nother story. But for now I have 6. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go get yourself this bag. It's such a beautiful color. So yeah, till next time. Bye guys. Okay, so here we are.